So hi Kashmira, so you have given the CSEET, which is obviously in the unique mode this time. Can you share your experience of giving the remote proctored mode and what challenges did you face in this mode?
Yes, it was very unique and different experience for me while giving the exam, as no exam was conducted in this mode earlier. It was very different exam, and there were very different instructions that were needed to be followed while giving the exam. Like the proctor was invigilating or emoting us continuously through audio mode, web camera mode, or any other mode. And challenges which I faced while giving the exam was only network issues. I was completely means fearing that the connection will boost out or it will shut down, but that did not happen with me, and I gave the exam successfully.
What about your friends? Did they face any issues?
Yes, in our CSET group, which was created recently by our institute, two or three students messaged in the group that they face pretty issues like the connection boost out or the test was shut suddenly by them. So they faced two or three issues, and they were continuously telling that when will we give the exam again.
And was there any remedy for that?
Yes, remedy means our sir instructed that no worries, we can give it in 2 to 3 days. And yesterday only the exam was conducted by the institute 10 to 12, and everybody I guess had given the exam without any issues.
Okay, great. Yeah, so Kashmira, one more question was on the sections. Okay, so which according to you were easy and which according to you are the difficult questions in the CSET?
There are four sections in CSET, namely business communication, legal aptitude, logical reasoning, and economic and business environment and current affairs. Business communication is pretty easy as all the questions could be asked in the book itself. And speaking about legal aptitude, so you need to by heart all the laws and logical reasoning problems like letter coding, blood relation. You need to study all that. And speaking about economics, you should know all the laws and all the chapters which are included in the book. And main part is current affairs. You need to be updated about the recent news, political affairs, political scenario, COVID situation, as all the questions were asked from itself only. So it is nothing difficult if you study a more.
And what questions do you think were unique in the current affairs section?
Not unique, but they more focused on political affairs like cabinet affairs, defense minister, and many such things.
One more important question that everybody has in their mind is on the syllabus of the CSEET and on the reference material like the bulletin, the mock exams that happened. Please share your thoughts on these aspects.
Yeah, there were many such things like mock exams, bulletins. They are very helpful if you refer that. Uh, I attended two online classes. One were free, and the second one was just a revision, a slight revision of the entire syllabus. So they are very helpful, as all the questions are asked uh, pertaining to bulletin, online classes which they teach. So if you just refer it, then you will be pretty helpful while giving the exam. There are online classes which were very useful while giving the exams, and at the end of every chapter there are sample questions which you can also refer, uh, as all the questions are asked from that only.
What about the bulletin that you talked about, the CSEET bulletin? Can you just explain about that?
Yeah, a bulletin is released at the end of the every month. So 10 questions are there at each section, like business communication 10 section, 10 questions, economic and business environment there are 10 questions, legal aptitude 10 questions, and current affairs also 10 questions. These 10 questions you can study very easily, as the answers are also mentioned at the bottom, so you can refer it and study for the exam.
And you did that. And you did that thoroughly?
Yes, I read it thoroughly. So it was very really helpful.
Yeah, one more question that everybody would ask or would want to know is about third-party resources. So there are exams or notes, and there are CS, EET, ICSI material. What is your experience? Did you use both of them, and would you recommend which one for the aspiring students?
I would recommend, there are many third party apps like mock test, toppers exam, and many more. But for me, giving mock test conducted by the institute was more easy rather than toppers exam, as not a single question was related to the syllabus. They are very difficult questions, but one may find it easy. So according to me, you should give mock test, as there are many similar questions as to that as in the book or in the syllabus.
Yeah, finally, Kashmira, just on what are the three, advice that you would want to give to aspiring CSET students?
My advice is that you focus on the materials given by the institute, that is the syllabus, bulletins, and mock test. And speaking about current affairs, you need to be updated about the news, political scenario, government affairs, reading business newspapers, which speaks about the market. Uh, as I feel that current affairs is very challenging part of all the four subjects, and don't fear while giving the exam.